Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, I'm going to do a review of the Chef's Choice Hybrid Knife Sharpener. This thing is awesome. So I'll walk you through it. I'll show you a couple of different knives that I'm going to sharpen today. I'll discuss it and I'll also put a couple links down in the description below and you can check this model out online for yourself. But this one's pretty nice. So it says kitchen and household knives. You can do sports knives, pocket knives, straight edge, and serrated knives. So that's pretty nice. I've had this a number of years. You can tell by the box. I've had this quite a bit of time. In fact, I was going to purchase a new one and I just sharpened them again with this. And I'm like, what am I thinking? This thing works absolutely perfect, just like the first day. So here's the way it works. Basically, you're going to turn it on right here. Inside here, it's basically spinning with a stone, like a round stone. And then you grab the knife like this guy right here. These are pretty dull here. So I typically need to do this about twice a year. I try to do it in summertime and then I do it right around Christmas time and it works pretty well. It takes me about 3 or 4 minutes per knife. So it does take a little bit of time here and you don't want to be in a hurry with it. So what we're going to do is start on stage 1 and then stage 2 and then we do a little honing here at stage 3. So here's how it works. We want to start with the knife far away from us. And the directions tell us for a knife like this, the pull should take about 5 seconds. So we're going to do this left side and then the right side of number 1. And now we're just going to go back and forth. So that's considered to be one pair of pulls, right? So that's one right there. We're going to do that 5 times. So I'll speed it up for us. Okay, so now we've done 5 sets of pulls with the number 1, and now we're going to do the same thing with number 2. So again, I'm trying for about 5 seconds from the beginning to the end. I want that stroke to take about 5 seconds. All right, we'll do one more and then I'll speed up the rest of this for you. Okay, so that's one set with number 2. Let's fast forward. Okay, so we've done 5 pulls on 1, 5 pulls on 2, and now we're going to do this third one right here. And I'm going to try to keep the knife straight up and down for this one here. And it's just a back and forth a few times. Okay, now I'm just going to clean off the blade. And we're all set. It's as easy as that, and I have to say, I'm really surprised. When I first bought this machine, I wasn't sure if this was going to work at all. I've sharpened these knives now probably maybe a dozen times, and each time it's absolutely awesome. Again, they stay pretty sharp for about 3 months. They stay razor sharp, and then they gradually get a little bit dull. So for me, 6 months feels like the right amount of time. Obviously, that depends on how much you're using the knives and that kind of stuff. But we have about 7 or 8 different knives that I sharpen on this biannually, twice a year. So again, it's not hard by any means. It does take a little bit of time and you don't want to rush it. They also let you know that if the knives are not that dull, that you, instead of doing like 5 pulls, you could do a little bit less. Or if they are really dull, let's say that I skipped it and only did it like once a year, then you might want to do more sets of pulls, like 8 here, and then finish it off. So pretty nice. Hey guys, I so appreciate you watching these videos. Do me a favor, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Subscribe to the channel. I've got a couple other videos on sharpening these knives, so you can look in the playlist under there, under sharpening knives or how to sharpen knives, and it's under there. And also don't forget to check that description, and I'll put a couple links to this product and another sharpener that I thought was pretty awesome. All right guys, that's it for now. We'll see you later.